Optimal health के बाद what happens is you feel I'm mentally, mental well-being. Yeah, you have to work on your emotions, your mind, or you have to do your meditation. But then you are doing the act of meditation. Whether you are entering into meditation or not is a next level game. So that is also not wellness for me. That is well-being. It is a state of well-being where you feel you are well, right? So what is true wellness? True wellness for me is ease and flow state in all the 12 aspects of your life, which means your personal life, your family life, your relations, your recreation, self-growth, your family, finances, career, all the 12 aspects should have ease and flow state. Now what we feel is, suppose my marriage life is going on good, then my career won't be good. There are so many women that we know who speak on those lines, right? Then we feel that, okay, if I am good and my family is good, my career will not be good because I have to compromise somewhere. So then that is not wellness. Wellness is ease and flow state in all the 12 aspects of your life, and believe me, it's easy. Again, it's written in my book, unlike you breathe in air, right? You have water, you have sunlight, which are essentially vital. If you don't get, what will happen? We all will die someday, right? If you don't breathe, what is going to happen? But then it is so vital, yet it is easily and freely available. It's easy, just like you're breathing in now. So that is true wellness for me. And wellness truly is that which was there 5,000 years back. When we really started, wellness was easy. It was a everyday practice for all of us. But now if you Google wellness, you get a lot of products. What is wellness? Diet and gym is wellness. Sorry, it's not wellness. Gym is athleisure. एक टी शर्ट बाहर अगर 50 रुपए का मिलता है, athleisure 1,500 to 3,000 rupees. It's market. You get sports shoes, you get gym chains, you get all the equipments, then protein powders. All of that is market. For food, you have quinoa, you have broccoli, everything is market. So wellness currently is market, and that is what we are trying to do. We are the world's first and only brand in Glamour Well Multi-Experience Center. And this Prolux is a premier company which is based on Glamour Well philosophy as a way of life. So now, moving from holistic wellness, we entered spiritual wellness, and now Glamour Well is what the world needs. Because we all of us have mobile phones, right? We have unconsciously moved from 2G to 5G. We are traveling, we are into pollution, we are living in a microwave oven, we are eating pesticide rich food, which means we have unconsciously entered. हमें पता नहीं हम कब लैंड इन हो गए. इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, ट्विटर इतनी आदत कब हो गई, हमें पता ही नहीं चला. But now is the time that we consciously choose a balance of both glamour and wellness together. Glamour doesn't mean only modeling or photo shoots. Glamour means all the luxuries of life that you are currently living without knowing that there are side effects. So how do we navigate it? So we have Glamour Well. And what does Glamour Well say? Glamour Well always says, dance with health. Health is easy. You can just dance with health. Dance with health and flirt with luxury. Eat pizzas, eat Pepsis. You can always drink pizzas. You know, people, we are not born to become yogis. Again, it is written in my book, all the yogis are currently syphilitic personalities. There is a definition medically which is proven in the name of psoriasis, psychosis, syphilis. We are not born to be in the extreme end, okay? We are not born to become yogis. And that's why जितने लोग आप holistic and spiritual wellness में देखेंगे, they'll start wearing cotton saris, they'll apply tikka, and they're like, okay, so don't eat Pepsi, okay, don't eat pizzas. So that is not. Why not? These luxuries are all for us. This is a part of our evolution, and we are a part of this evolutionary philosophy in the world. So I have, I have done case research on more than 5,000 clients, and फिर मैंने human evolution का study, research, paper presentations करके I got a patent on tools to human, Kokoro, and tools beyond mere mind, body, physical health or your meditation. इसके beyond I'm bringing in 12 tools which is beyond meditation in the form of Glamour Well philosophy. We are not going deep into those 12 tools currently because अभी जनवरी में ही मुझे वो पेटेंट मिला है. उसकी प्रोसेस पूरी होने के बाद I'll start talking about it. Until then I never talked about the patent because you can't speak on any platform. So my YouTube videos were also on hold for last 2 years. And now we have entered with Glamour Well. Prolux believes in 360 degrees wellness. So we have our mobile app by the name Prolux Wellness, जिसमें 42 टेस्ट रिपोर्ट्स आते हैं. सो जब मैं क्लाइंट कोचिंग लेती थी, पहले 3 घंटे मेरे सिर्फ उनको एनालिसिस करने में जाते थे कि व्हाट इज़ द एनर्जी पर्सनैलिटी एनालिसिस ऑफ दिस पर्सन, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट योर ओनली वाता पित्ता कफ, राइट? You are not only your soul color, soul element, or you are not your you know Leo, Pisces, क्या आपकी star sign है, sun sign है. You are also not only your ego defense style, MBTI personality type, leadership type, communication type, learning type. ये सारे टेस्ट हम कर लेते उसमें. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था जैसे एज अ आई एम एन एनेस्थेटिस्ट, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था जैसे मैं प्रिस्क्राइब कर देती हूँ, MRI करो, CT स्कैन करो, CBC करो और रिपोर्ट लेके आ जाओ. तो काश कुछ ऐसे होता जहाँ पे मैं बोलूँ क्लाइंट को कि जाओ ये करके आओ, ताकि मैं तुम पे कोचिंग पे फोकस कर पाऊँ. एंड देन फाइनली like 1.5 years back, I got this idea of creating a mobile app based on these 42 tests, and now that is available already. So you are your 42 test reports, which is your energy personality analysis, and your personality is not your personality, it's your 14 generations जिसको ट्रीटमेंट देना ज़रूरी है, जिसके 4 ब्लॉकेजेस होते हैं, which is कोई भी समस्या आ रही है, कोई भी कहीं पे भी, पति के साथ है, पैसों के साथ है, बच्चों के साथ है, खुद के साथ है. इट इज़ योर जनरेशनल ब्लॉकेज, जेस्टेशनल ब्लॉकेज, लाइफ ट्रॉमेटिक इवेंट ब्लॉकेजेस एंड एनवायरमेंटल ब्लॉकेजेस. ये ब्लॉकेजेस आइडेंटिफाई करके देन द ट्रीटमेंट इज गिवन. बट अंटिल देन व्हाट वी ऑफर इज 360 डिग्रीज वेलनेस टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सो ये जो 360 डिग्रीज वेलनेस है, जिसके 5 मॉड्यूल्स मैंने अभी बताए, वी विल स्टार्ट ऑफ विद दोज मॉड्यूल्स राइट नाउ, राइट हियर. एंड जिसमें हमने पूरा 360 डिग्रीज, वी हैव इंक्लूडेड साउंड, वी हैव इंक्लूडेड योगा, वी हैव इंक्लूडेड मेडिटेशन, ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक्स, एवरीथिंग. So now I want all of you to just sit back, go into self-love, self-care, take this time for your own selves, and believe me, आप ऐसे समझिए कि ये टाइम आपने अपने लिए निकाला है. This is a gift from me to all of you, because this is the gift that your DNA will carry for all the future generations ahead, and you will carry in all your lifetimes ahead. So this can be the best gift to anybody. So let's start with our 360 degrees wellness program. Can I have the mic stand please? आता गणेशाचं लावतो. मध्ये मला चेअर लागेल, एक आता चेअर पण देऊन द्या. सो नाव